Hey Reginald, how's it going, man? Hope everything's going well with you and having a good week. I know you've been working hard, been working extremely hard. I talked to your mom earlier this week, and also I spoke to you the other day as well. So I know you're doing a great job, and I just continue. I encourage you to continue that hard work, and yeah, and we'll just keep building on the progress that you've made. And I know last week we had a lesson dealing with WH questions as well as counting some money. So I want you to continue to work on those things. Hopefully you're able to find some coins at the house that you can practice counting. And yeah, we'll just this week we're going to dive into something a little bit different, something that we worked on in school. And then we're going to be working on graphing, okay, and analyzing graphs, looking at the graphs. What do we see at the graph, as well as looking at a calendar and answering some literacy questions dealing with that calendar. So again, pause the video, stop it at any time you need to take a break, or if I'm asking you a question, you need more time to analyze and to think about the answer. Pause it, give yourself some time to reflect on it, answer the question, and then push play and come right back to it. And if now's not a good time for you to watch this video, you can always come back to it. Okay. All right. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is graphing. All right. So this is a bar graph. Okay. All right. So at the title of the graph is dinner time. Can you see that? Dinner time. Okay. And if we look down the y-axis, we see numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all the way up to 8. Okay, and this is number of people. And then on the x-axis, you can hopefully see times: 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, 6:30, and 7 o'clock. All right, so just by looking at the title and the graph and the numbers, you can see this is dinner time, and these are the times people eat dinner, and these are the number of people that eat dinner. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. So the first question says what, Reginald? How many people ate at 7 o'clock? So looking at this graph, the first thing we need to find is 7 o'clock. Do you see 7 o'clock? Good job. 7 o'clock is over here. Okay. Now, how many boxes are colored in, Reginald? We just have what? One. Good job. So the answer to this would be one. One person ate at 7 o'clock. All right, number two. How many people ate at 5:30? Okay, so first thing you need to do is find 5:30. Where is it? You see it? Good, it's right here, okay? Now you need to count the number of blocks that are shaded in. Now there's kind of a glare. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so count the number of blocks. I'll give you a second to do that and pause if you need more time. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. Good job. All right. So 7 blocks are shaded in. So 7 people ate at 5:30. How many people, number 3, ate at 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. How many people ate there, Reginald? 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 4. How many more ate at 6 o'clock than 7 o'clock? Okay. How many more people ate at 6 o'clock than 7 o'clock? So 6 o'clock, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember we had 4 at 7 or at 6, and then at 7 o'clock we have 1. Okay, so what would you do right here, Reginald? Good, you would subtract 4 minus 1. Okay, so you can do it that way, or you can count the missing blocks to make it equal this. So we'd have 1, 2, 3. Good job, Reginald. So 3 more people ate at 6 o'clock than 7. All right, and the last one says 5 says, what time do you eat dinner? And color a square on the graph to show this time. So you don't have to color, obviously you're not going to color the graph, but think about what time you eat dinner on a regular night. Is it one of these times? And if so, which one would you color? Me personally, I eat at about 6 o'clock every night. So I would end up coloring in this square right here. All right, so good job with that, bud. Continue to work with graphing. I'm going to post a couple things on Power School dealing with graphs, so just continue to build your knowledge on that. I'm sure you did a great job with that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is a calendar, and we're going to answer some questions about this calendar. All right, hopefully you can see this. All right, number one, what day of the month is circled? So what day of this month on this graph is circled? Good job, Reginald. The 15th is circled. All right. What day of the week has an X on it? So find the number with an X, which is right here. What day of the week is that, Reginald? Good job. If you look here and go up, it's a Monday. Very good. All right, number 3. What is the number of the last day of the month? So how many days are in this month, Reginald? Good job. 30. You can look at the very bottom of the calendar. 30. Okay, some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days, some months even have 28, maybe 29 days, depending on the year. All right, and lastly, two more. What day of the week is the 18th? So looking at here, on the 18th. Okay, see it right here? And what day of the week is that, Reginald? It's a Sunday. Very good. All right, and lastly, what is the number of the first Sunday of the month? Okay, so the first Sunday of the month falls on what number? All right, so the Sunday and the first Sunday. Well, here there's not a number, so you know that's not it. You go down. What number is that? 4. The 4th. So the 4th is the first Sunday of the month. All right. So good job, bud. Continue just to work on things like this. This is very important stuff. Being able to keep a calendar and an agenda, writing stuff down, important dates and appointments is super important. So very important to know, how to utilize this. And I know you do a great job with morning meetings, writing your schedules and things like that. So just keep up the good work with that. Keep working on your math and your literacy, all the things that I post on Power School. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. And yeah, we'll just continue to work hard, and a couple more weeks until summer. So just finish the year out strong. And again, any questions, don't ever hesitate to ask. You can email or call me at any time. All right, buddy. You have a great rest of the day and a good rest of the week, and I will see you soon.